the old days, tall seven legs, nice stand-up legs swinging on a tailgate. The old days when fist fights were fine, throwing hands didn't land you too much jail time. The old days when love was real and it burned in your soul like a moonshine steel. The old days, those days are gone, so I cherish the memories of the place I call home. Oh yeah.
There's a bridge on River Road where I painted my name with a couple of buddies with John Deere spray paint. We used to smoke on the green after the sun hit the hay and made it home by